Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. We are going to present our ISAs entitled Implementation Firewall Security on Windows. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Hilman Maulana Anhar and my friend's name is
Reza Putra Pamutya.
Next. Firewall. Firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Its purpose is to establish a barrier between your internal network and incoming traffic from external source, such as the internet. In order to block malicious traffic like viruses on hackers, it can be software, hardware, or a combination of both. Firewalls are used in both personal and enterprise settings, and many devices come with one built-in, including Mac, Windows, Linux computers. They are widely considered an essential component of network security. How does it work? Firewall carefully analyze incoming traffic based on pre-established rules and filter traffic coming from unsecure or suspicious source to prevent attacks. Firewalls guard traffic at a computer's entry point called ports, which is where information is exchanged with external devices. For example, source address 172.18.1.1 is allowed to reach destination 172.18.2.1 over port 22. Think of IP addresses as houses and port numbers as rooms within the house. Only trusted people or source addresses are allowed to enter the house. Then it's further filtered so that people within the house are only allowed to access certain rooms, depending on if they're the owner, a child, or a guest. The owner is allowed to any room, while children and guests are allowed into a certain set of rooms. Types of firewall. The first one is packet filtering firewalls. This type of firewall check the packet source and destination IP addresses. If packets match those of an allowed rule on the firewall, then it is trusted to enter the network. The next one is next generation firewall or NGFY. NGFW. NGFW combine traditional firewall technology with additional functionality, such as encrypted traffic inspection, intrusion prevention system, antivirus, and more. The third one is proxy firewall. Proxy firewalls filter network traffic at the application level. Unlike basic firewall, the proxy acts an intermediary between two end systems. The client must send a request to the firewall, where it is then evaluated against a set of security rules and then permit or block. Network addresses translation firewall. In AT, firewalls allow multiple devices with independent network addresses to connect to the internet using a single IP address, keeping individual IP addresses hidden. As a result, attackers scanning a network for IP addresses cannot capture specific details. providing greater security against attacks. The last one is Stateful Multilayer Inspection Firewall, or SMLI. SMLI firewalls filter packets at the network, transport, and application layer, comparing them against known trusted packets. Like NGFW firewall, SMLI also examine to the entire packet and only allow them to pass if they pass each layer individually. And Windows application. What is Windows? Windows is an operating system created by Microsoft, where the operating system provides a graphical interface, or GUI, or graphical user interface, to make it easier to operate. A program that is written to run under the Microsoft Windows operating system, also called a Windows app. And how to active firewall on Windows? If you want to assess it, configure the way it works, go to control panel, then go to System and Security and select Windows Firewall. Next, Fahreza.
And then after you do that, now you will see the Windows Firewall window where you can get a quick glimpse on whether it is turned on and the type of network you are connected to, private network or public network. Next step, instead you will see a warning that says the settings are being managed by vendor application name. In this page you can see an example of how this looks. The next one is how to allow desktop application through the Windows Firewall. In a Windows Firewall prompt, you are asked to select the network locations to which you allow access for that program. Private networks or public networks, by default, Windows Firewall select the checkbox that appropriate for the network you are currently using. Next, how to customize the rules for allow apps. In here, Windows Firewall allows any user with an administration account to change the list of rules and exceptions applied for apps and desktop programs. In order to do this, first start the Windows Firewall. On the column on the left, click or tap Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall, or allow a program or feature through Windows Firewall. Next, on the right, there are two columns, private and public. If a check mark is found in the private column, it means that a network access is given to that app, program, or feature when you are connected to networks that are set as a private. If a check mark is found in the public column, it means the network access is given to that app, program, or feature when you are connected to network that are set as public. To change anything in this list, you need to press the change setting button. Next to human again.
Next is the list is no longer grayed out, and you can edit any of the existing entries. You can select any item for which you want to change the rules applied by Windows Firewall. To learn more about it, press the details button. Next, you will see a small window that shows a description of the selected item, or if you have selected a program, the path where it is installed and its name. When you are finished, press OK. If you want to block access to the network for an app, program, or feature, select it and then uncheck the box near its name, or one of the checkbox on the right, private or public, depending on the types of networks you want to block access to. When you are done setting this up, press OK. The next is how to add apps and programs to the allowed list. In the rare event that an app or program that you want to give network access to is not in this list, you can easily edit. First, make sure that the list of allowed apps, program, and feature is editable using the procedure described in the previous section. Then click or tap allow another app or allow another program. Next to Fariza.
In the add an app or add a program, we now look for the app or program that you want to add and select it. If you can't find it, press browse, go to its location and select its executable, then click or tap the add button. Next, you are back to the list of items allowed through the Windows firewall. The program or app that you just add is now selected, and you can edit the types of network it can access. When you're done adding programs and apps, press OK to apply your settings. Next is how to remove apps and programs from the allowed list. First, make sure that the list of allowed apps, programs, and features is editable, using the procedures shared earlier in this lesson. Then select the app or program that you want to delete and press remove. Next, you are asked to confirm your choice. Press yes, and then select app or program is removed from the list of items allowed through the Windows firewall. Press OK to save your change. And then, how to enable or disable the Windows firewall. In order to enable or disable the Windows firewall, you must first open it. Then look on the left column and click or tap the link that says Turn Windows firewall on or off. Next, the last one, to recap, if you want to enable the Windows firewall only for private networks, then select Turn on Windows firewall. In the private network settings section, if you want to enable it only for public networks, then select Turn on Windows firewall. In the public network settings section, if you want it to turn it on for all types of networks, select the settings in root section and press OK. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.